Learning English should be your first priority in 2025. And if you can use it, if you can utilize it, you will be successful, you will succeed in your life. And if you don't utilize it, you will be failure. You can think in English, try to describe what you see, feel, and do in English, even in your mind. You can do it. Is speaking every day, even if it's just for few minutes or few hours. Talk to yourself, record your voice, join English speaking groups. You can make groups yourself. You can make WhatsApp groups. You can make Zoom meetings as well. You can arrange Zoom meetings without me even. I like to listen to podcasts which are extremely important for me. So you can watch those podcasts as well to improve your listening power. Read books, whatever the books you like, you can read books. Engage with native speakers whenever possible. For an example, you have a friend, like before your batch, there was a batch. There was a student whose name was Mustafa, and he lives in Dubai. But he couldn't speak English with him before completing this course. So he speaks English with his friend from Missouri, and the friend who is from Missouri also speaks with him in English. They are actually building their own, environment. So you can also do this. You are smart, you are improving every single day. You are trying to improve yourself. Rahat is trying to improve himself. Tawhid is trying to improve himself. Safia Sultana is trying to improve herself from her position, right? She is trying. You are trying. Everyone is trying. So just follow my words. That's it. Follow my words. Follow my words for next 6 months. You will see the magic. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing. Never stop learning. You have the potential to achieve greatness. And English is just one of the many tools that will help you reach your dreams, right? And I'm so proud of you all. And I cannot wait to see you how far you can go and keep going, growing, keep shining, keep moving, and keep smiling as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining our class. This is my final message for you. And we are wrapping up this class here. And now I will move to every one of you, and you will share your views, your thoughts, and your final message for all of our batchmates as well. So, firstly, we would like to go